Hello, this is Freddie J. Cooper Imports in Tulsa, and tonight I just want to show you a cool feature for our new Porsche Cayenne. What is our ambient lighting feature. To access this, if you do have a new Porsche Cayenne, you're actually going to click the car tab here and actually go to your control tab. This will allow you to access ambient lighting. What this allows you to do is actually choose 7 different colors. You can also change the total brightness. This will allow you to control the floorboard, the cup holder, the doors, and the roof lights, which are actually pretty cool if you look up here. But what's really cool about this, you can access it and change it to orange. You do have a red, you have 2 shades of blue, a green, a white, and kind of like a cream white as well. It is all touch oriented, so it does let you adjust it to your liking. It does make the car look really nice as well. If you have any more questions or want to see more about it, please give us a call at 918-249-9393 or stop by at 9393 South Memorial Drive in Tulsa.